Greetings and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I cut and prep a pineapple to juice. First, I lay it on the side. I'm going to cut off the top, which they also call the crown of the pineapple. Be careful when touching that because it does have some spikes and it will prick you. And now I'm cutting the base of the pineapple. I'm struggling a bit because of the knife that I'm using. I normally use a serrated knife and that works much better. Here is my serrated knife and it makes it so much easier to cut a pineapple. As you see, I place the pineapple back on its base and I'm cutting from the top of the pineapple all the way down. And that normally allows me to remove most of the pineapple peel. Did you know that you could actually reuse the pineapple peel by boiling it? You could boil it to make a delicious tea. If your tongue or your throats get itchy whenever you eat those little round parts of the pineapple, in Jamaica we call that the pineapple eye, I wouldn't suggest that you make that tea because that is an allergic reaction that you're having. I love pineapples, I eat it all the time, but I just avoid the outside part because I do get that itchy sensation in my throat. I removed the excess peel that was at the bottom of the pineapple. Now we're going to slice it in circles. So we're going to lay it again on the side and we're going to cut in a downward motion. Be careful when doing so. Make sure that your fingers are far away from the knife. So now I'm going to cut the pineapple circles into quarters. Slice it down the middle, then I rotated it, and then I'm going to slice it again down the middle, and now we have 4 pieces. I find that if it's better inside of the juicer when they're cut into 4 slices. Here are some facts about pineapples. Pineapples may help to boost your immune system, reduce inflammation of the joints and muscle, improve bone strength, keep your skin beautiful, and it may help with weight loss. I like the fact that pineapples could be found year-round, and they're so delicious, of course. Now your pineapples are ready to be juiced. If you like my content and you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.